Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 18, and we're diving into the world of advanced list comprehensions. In this video, we'll cover list comprehensions for filtering and transforming data, nested list comprehensions, and how to use comprehensions effectively. Ready to level up your Python skills? Let's get started. Let's start with list comprehensions for filtering and transforming data. List comprehensions provide a concise way to create lists. Here's a basic example of a list comprehension. In this example, the list comprehension generates a list of squares of numbers from 0 to 9. Now, let's add a condition to filter data. Here, only even numbers are squared and included in the list. This shows how you can filter data using list comprehensions. Next, let's explore nested list comprehensions. These are list comprehensions within other list comprehensions. Here's an example of a nested list comprehension. In this example, the outer list comprehension creates rows, and the inner list comprehension creates columns. This generates a multiplication table. Let's see another example with nested comprehensions for flattening a list of lists. Here, the nested comprehension flattens the list of lists into a single list. Finally, let's talk about using comprehensions effectively. While comprehensions are powerful, they should be used judiciously to maintain code readability. Here are some tips for using comprehensions effectively. 1. Keep it simple, avoid overly complex comprehensions. If it's hard to read, consider using regular loops. 2. Use with functions. You can use comprehensions with functions to make your code more expressive. 3. Combine with conditionals. Use conditionals within comprehensions to filter data. Remember, the goal is to write clean and efficient code. If a comprehension makes your code clearer and more concise, use it. If it complicates your code, opt for traditional loops. And there you have it, folks, an in-depth look at advanced list comprehensions in Python. You've learned how to filter and transform data, work with nested list comprehensions, and use comprehensions effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 19. Keep coding.